much.
Health insurance policyholders are urged to launch a revolt against skyrocketing premiums with the stroke of a pen.
Yeah, a petition drive is underway to qualify a proposed consumer protection initiative. Lauren Savan is in Santa Monica now with that story for us. Good afternoon, Lauren.
Good afternoon to you. The Consumer Watchdog campaign says that insurance companies here in California have raised their rates 5 times the rate of inflation. And they have the power to raise rates at will whenever they like. And so they are sending out this ballot measure now in November. It's a volunteer signature ballot. And what that aims to do is to force insurance companies to publicly justify their rate increases. They would have to get permission before they can charge you more. Senator Dianne Feinstein was the first to sign this ballot measure. And earlier today at a press conference held by the Consumer Watchdog campaign, we saw 2 patients sign that ballot. And this is a mailer that you will get in your mail that you can fill out in your own time and read the petition. And I'm here now with Consumer Watchdog campaign president, Jamie Court, and tell us a little bit about this measure and why you feel it is so necessary here in California.
Well, look, health insurance companies have been raising rates in the double digits, particularly on individuals and self-employed folks, and there is no limit to what they can charge. 35 states have some form of rate regulation, and pretty soon the federal government's going to require us to all have health insurance or pay a tax. What this ballot measure does is simply say health insurance companies have to ask permission before they raise rates, and their CEOs of these companies are going to have to justify under penalty of perjury and file paperwork showing why the rate increase is needed. It's something that people need, and the legislature for 5 years has been unwilling to give it to the people of California. So now people can go to JustifyRates.org and print out their own ballot petition, circulate the ballot petition, order the ballot petition, and they can take matters into their own hands.
Jamie, at a time though, many companies are leaving California and they blame high regulation, high taxes here. Is this going to drive insurance companies out of the state?
4 health insurance companies control 71% of the market. There is no competition. That's why we need rate regulation. They raise rates at will. They raise them in concert. There is no competition. But there's 30 million people here who are ready to buy health insurance and pay a nice price. Health insurance companies are not going to leave the state. We are helping the businesses in California who cannot afford health insurance by making sure that the rates that those businesses are charged are affordable and reasonable and fair. And that's what this initiative does. So this actually is very much a pro-business initiative because it regulates the 4 companies that control the 71% of the market.
2 groups have already come out against this measure, the California Medical Association, the California Hospital Association. But you were telling folks that there's more to come, right? That you're going to hear a lot more from insurance companies about this ballot?
Well, the health insurance companies are the real opponents, and they have some very well established friends in the medical insurance complex. But rank and file doctors will benefit under this measure because less money will go to the insurance companies, more money will go to the doctors. Hospitals, community hospitals will benefit because the insurance companies haven't been treating them fairly. So this is for real people. And the Sacramento elites always hang together when you have a real revolt of patients and people. And that's what we got going at JustifyRates.org.
All right, Jamie Court, thank you so much. And you, once again, may see that ballot measure coming your way in the mail. That is the latest from Santa Monica. I'll send it back to you guys.